How to fix Instagram name change problem. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Instagram app on your device. Sign in to your account. Tap profile at bottom right corner of the screen. Tap three line icon at top right corner of the screen. Now choose Account Center at top of the screen. Choose Profiles and here select your Instagram account. So from here, if you change your name on Instagram, the Facebook name will also be changed if your Instagram name is connected with Facebook. So simply if you have any Facebook account connected with your Instagram, simply you need to launch that. And for demo purpose, simply you need to toggle the button of Sync Profile Info. I don't have any Facebook connected with Instagram name, so I am showing the demo with the Instagram account. If you have any, do so. And after that, you will successfully change the name of your Instagram only without changing the name of your Facebook account. Now, from the section, you can delete this previous name and tap Save to apply the changes. Remember, you can only change your name twice within 14 days. That is how we fix Instagram name change problem. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.